The first thing that happens is my husband graciously brings me breakfast in bed. I feel very lucky that he does so, and he does it with a smile. Oscar, of course, is also quite interested in what I'm about to eat. I have a moment to reflect. This is when I have my tea and think about the day ahead. Then I get up for my morning routine. Typically, I will brush my teeth, of course, and then cleanse my face before I am able to do my 5-minute get ready routine. Today, I am going to show you my Great Skin Merit Serum Glow Serum, which I absolutely love because of the fact that it is the perfect base for your face prior to applying makeup. My 5-minute routine consists of the beautiful Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick, the new bronzer that I apply in only the areas where I want a little bit of definition, my favorite mascara from Merit. This is the bomb. Everything will be linked, and of course, a shade of their beautiful lipstick. Once I'm done, I hear the doorbell ring and my trusted assistant, Ella, walks in for today's very busy day with a big smile on her face. We greet each other and realize that we have so much going on that immediately the first thing that comes to our mind is... Hence, I turn on my Miele coffee maker and immediately make 2 espressos with my Ruggable cups, which are my absolute favorite. They never break, they're made in France, and they're fantastic. We're gonna have oat milk and, of course, with a lot of froth. We start discussing all of our individual projects that we have going and go over the to-do list. Ella takes copious notes digitally. We always have a little giggle, but again, everything is about business, work, and getting things done methodically and punctually. So today we are going to a client's house who lives in Palos Verdes. I've been working with her for, I want to say, maybe 6 or 8 months, maybe longer actually. And the reason she hired me is that she wanted to redo her master bathroom. She's been living in this house for, I want to say, at least 3 decades. And she really is one of the nicest people I know. She wanted to redo her kitchen, her bathroom. She wanted to just refresh her space. And we've been working on this project, doing construction, sourcing all the materials, and look who's calling in the middle of the vlog. Yeah, husband. Let's see what interesting things he has to say. Hold on. Yes?
I just got recognized on my walk as Nina Takesh's husband.
What? No!
I swear to God.
Funny.
Anyway, I just had to call you because it's just hilarious.
That is funny.
Nina Takesh's husband.
You're gonna get a lot of that, hopefully.
Oh yeah, exactly. So
we're literally in the middle of filming a vlog, and you called, and we're like, I wonder what he has to say, and this is what we're talking. So that's kind of funny.
Okay, good. All right, I'll let you go.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
We finally make it to the beautiful town of Palos Verdes, which is this gorgeous city south of Los Angeles, which is a beach town. And here's a very quick sneak peek of our brand new kitchen. There will be a lot more to come. We are now back on the freeway, and now we are heading north on the 405, LA's and Southern California's busiest freeway. And as you can see, today is another busy day. Luckily, we are able to take the carpool lane. So we are on our way to a flip project. This project I have been really excited about and have talked about, and here we are finally able to talk about the paneling. I love this house, you guys. It is truly a passion project, and I design it as if it were my own with that much love because I care, and that's what is going to make this house sell. So what's great about this house is that it has its own secret entrance, meaning it has a private driveway, which is rare with its own gate, and there's only 2 houses behind this gate. Here is the beautiful outdoors. We have completely transformed the space. We added the retaining wall. We added, of course, everything's brand new. Added these arches. This is what I came to supervise, is the paneling. This is the kitchen. Everything's a mess, but that's what it is when you're in construction. And this is just to give you an idea of what happens in my day. We check all of the plumbing fixtures. They've just been installed. These are by Brizzo, and we'll link those as well. Of course, my Onyx bathroom, which I'm obsessed about. More meetings on site with different trades. We've got our marble fabricator that we need to meet. We're meeting with the electrician. We're meeting with the carpenter. And it literally just goes on and on and on. This project is taking a little bit longer, but we are getting to the finish line. I finally make it home after a long, arduous day of client meetings, site meetings, and honestly, all I can think about is jumping into a really hot bath. I enter, of course, via the red elevator and announce the fact that I'm home, but apparently nobody cares. Thank you everyone for watching this episode. I hope you like my vlog. If you want to see more vlogs like this, I'll be happy to take you along. Chime in.